Do you want me to turn it off?
If you want, unless you see something you see something you like.
Oh yeah?
Points it right away.
Wow.
Wow, look at these flowers.
Actually, look at these glasses. These are created for me, and this isn't going to be on the vlog, I guarantee it.
Flying here right at the border, and we'll end somewhere in Maine. I picked out a really good spot where we can just pull right in and land it. Attempted this once before. We'll try it one more time, but this time I got a driver. Every time I would press the return to home feature or the signal would be lost, it would return all the way back to Massachusetts, which in this case is actually not that far. Last time I did it, we would go, fly it, take off, come back, do the same thing. I wasn't able to actually see what the drone was seeing. I lost the actual video feed. We'll go ahead and we'll just move to the next spot for how much battery we have left, which isn't much. We'll make the most of it. And then if we have to, we'll charge it at a coffee shop because, well, at least not Starbucks anyway. Let's make a day out of it.
Let's go!
This week. Instead, I have somebody else driving my car, and I've almost lost my drone twice. I'm about ready to have a small heart attack. Good boy. Good boy. Pull right over here and get right on that bridge and we'll just stop. Alright, so coffee and charging.
Sounds good to me.
Alright. Alright, last shot of the day. Got to go through Portsmouth. I got to keep an eye on it the entire time, and then we're going to go across the bridge and land the drone right in Maine. Should be that simple, right? right, we're going back to New Hampshire. I'll see you guys later. Thankfully, we reestablished connection. We went over the bridge with it. We got beautiful shots, hopefully. Landed it right here somewhere in Maine. So let's get the hell out of here before the police show up.